Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a blueberry muffin. So let's get started. To draw this yummy muffin, let's first start by drawing the top. So I'm going to start right here, and we're basically just going to build a nice yummy mound of muffin at the top here. So it's kind of like drawing a cloud. And maybe this one right here, I'm just going to make it a lot bigger, right in about the center area. So your goal is just to make this nice big round mound. So maybe one curve here, and then we can break it up to make it smaller. Maybe another one here. So, and then let's see, then let's go ahead and come nice and big and round for the sides. About there. So we're just creating this nice big round shape, and let's bring it in. And then from about right there, we need to start to draw the bottom. So I'm going to bring it in and add a curve, a little bit more shallow than the top. So let's say about right here, we're going to go ahead. And once again, some smaller curves, some bigger curves. It's all up to you. But we're still going at a curve. Maybe one more here, bigger one, and then just connect it. There. Okay, so now that we have this basic shape in, let's go ahead and come back to about right here, and we're going to draw an angle line so we can make it look like a cupcake. So here and there, just to center my cupcake, I'm going to go ahead and draw an angle line. Say about that much. Same thing over here. About that much. And so now they're about the same height, let's go ahead and round it off. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. There. So I got your basic muffin shape or cupcake. Now to make it a blueberry one, let's go ahead and add some blueberries at the top. So I'm going to just randomly put some blueberries. So let's say about here, put a nice big juicy one, and then you can kind of cut it off a bit here with a curve just to simplify it. Maybe another big one here. It's all up to you. Just have fun with this. You can put as many or as little as you want. Just want to kind of spread it out, make it a little bit more random. So maybe a smaller one here. Another one here. Let's see, one here. And here's some smaller ones. Just to kind of put in some, fill in the space. There. Okay, I think we have enough. But to make it look like a blueberry, let's come to the tops right here. And we're just basically going to draw this oval shape, something like this. And then on this side, you can just kind of zigzag it a little bit, just to give it that blueberry crown. So curve, and then come to the top. Same thing here. So of course, the bigger your blueberry, the bigger the crown. And I'm kind of following this curve as I draw this curve. There. So hopefully that looks like blueberries. Definitely will once you color it in. And then of course, let's bring this muffin to life. So I'm going to come right about here and draw so cute eyes. nice big circle. And then we're going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So I'll make this one a little bit bigger to match my other eye. Okay, so same thing here. There. And then now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And of course, let's give this muffin a big sweet smile. About right here, and then I'm just going to add a tongue because it's very yummy. I do love a good blueberry muffin. And then of course, when you're coloring, you can add in those lines to make the paper right here at the bottom, and you can add in some cheeks. And let's see here, last but not least, add a little heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute blueberry muffin. I really hope you love this drawing and that I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.